Hello everyone, welcome to Neil's World, and in today's video let me give you an update regarding the Affinity suite of applications like the Affinity Designer, Affinity Photo and Affinity Publisher, which are a replacement for Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop and Adobe InDesign. But the advantage is that they come at a fraction of the cost of the Adobe suite of applications. Adobe has its own advantages. I am not saying that it is better than Adobe, but if you're a starting designer, if you want something that is as much capable as Adobe at a fraction of the cost without a subscription plan, you can well go with the Affinity suite of applications. And the best part is that it is now available for a very good discount. You see this flash sale is coming up, 50% off. This is available for the version 2 of Affinity suite of applications, which comes, as a bundle offer. You get Affinity Designer version 2, you get Affinity Photo version 2, you get Affinity Publisher version 2, and this is a universal license. So this is a universal license, so you get everything like the Designer, Photo and Publisher for Mac, Windows and iPad OS, all for this discounted price. Now, if you have already purchased a version 1 and has not upgraded yet to version 2, you have one more offer. Once you go to upgrade from version 1, you get still more discount, like this 25% extra on top of the 50% discount rate. Here you can upgrade and you need to verify using your email address and all. Once you verify using your email address, which is used for purchase of the version 1, you get this extra discount. Now you can click on get it now to complete the purchase using your card details and all. So what you get a very less price, 50% off, and then on top of that you get 25% off. So it's a very good deal in my opinion if you are looking for a very good suite of applications for kind of vector design, photo editing and desktop publishing kind of thing. Then you can purchase this suite of applications which is compatible with your Mac OS and your Windows. You get to install on your Windows or your Mac OS. It's the universal license. So you also get some kind of this LUT pack which is free. You get some typefaces, that means some fonts, and you get some kits for some other design and all. You have all these things as a bundle offer along with this new Affinity version 2 upgrade offer. So hope you liked this information. If you wish to purchase this software, you can go to the Affinity homepage and try it out.